these sticky notes, little post-its, and the sticky on the other side of them won't hurt your picture. And we're going to write things on it and then stick it on the picture where it belongs. So in order to pull out strong words from our picture, we need to talk about nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. So your superhero name for your superhero is a noun because that's a person, place, or thing. The costume that they wear, maybe their cape, boots, mask, etc., those are also nouns. Pronouns are the small subcategories like she, he, it, they. Adjectives would be the descriptive words. So, like, what kind of boots are they? They are yellow. What kind of hair? It is glowing hair. What kind of cape? It is a large cape, etc. Verbs are action words. So, is your superhero flying, jumping, freezing? What is your superhero doing? And then adverbs are how they're doing what they're doing. So are they flying swiftly, jumping high, instantly freezing, things like that. So those are some of the things that we are going to look for in our picture. So let's start with the nouns. So my superhero's name is the Blue Brain. I'll just put that there. And she has boots. So I'm going to put a sticky with boots. She has a belt. So I'll put that there. She has, well, the picture has an alien in there. We'll label him too. And what? I see a rock. So we don't want to go crazy and completely fill up our picture. But, you know, I don't know, 5, 6 things is good, right? So after you have those, you're going to add your descriptive words. So what do we have? We have an orange rock. Make sure you underline that adjective. What kind of boots? They're shiny boots. I've underlined that. What kind of alien is this? He's a green alien. What kind of belt? A utility belt. How do we describe this planet up there? Blue planet. Okay? So you'll do that. And really, this is descriptive too, so that's an adjective. After that, you need to look for your verbs. And we can put these to the side because, you know things about your character. You know if they can fly, you know what they can do. So you're going to write that down. Let's see, what else can I do? So put a few of those on the side. I've done 3. She can't fly, but maybe yours can. So put those on there. Then you're going to put your adverbs. You've got to make it more interesting. So she has a squiggle punch. So add your other words in there, and these will help you when we get to our story frame. Okay?